Well, why did my software update fail? How can I fix the iPhone software update failure? If you are struggling with this issue, please join us to learn what to do. If you see the annoying error, Part 1 iPhone software update failed, try the 10 quick fixes. Fix 1. Try the update a few hours later. Fix 2. Connect iPhone to a power source. Fix 3. Check the network status and routes. Fix 4. Check your USB connections. Fix 5. Ensure there's enough space on iPhone. Fix 6. Update your computer. Fix 7. Check your security software. Fix 8. Update the software with iTunes. Fix 9. Manually upgrade with IPSA file. Fix 10. Restart your iPhone and try again. Part 3. The most effective way to fix iPhone software update failure. When I try to update my iPhone, it says error and iOS update failed. Given this, highly effective people would like to find a simple way to get it around. If you don't know iOS system recovery, please don't miss this tool.